Well, when a new drug hits the market, the traditional way to get the word out involves pharmaceutical reps visiting clinics or sales teams working the floor at medical conferences. But a Carmel company is taking a new approach. Business of Health reporter Kylie Valletta is here with more.
Thank you, Mary Rachel. ParaPRO says it's the first pharmaceutical company to use a new AI technology to educate doctors about a new drug. The technology, called Thought Leader AI, makes doctors feel like they're in the same room with medical experts on a topic. For ParaPRO, the medical experts were filmed answering hundreds of questions about scabies, a skin condition that infects up to 1 million people each year in the U.S. The FDA recently approved ParaPRO's new drug to treat the infectious disease. ParaPRO Chief Executive Officer Bill Culpepper III says using Thought Leader AI, doctors can ask the experts questions about scabies and the new drug, and the digital human avatars answer the doctor's questions as if they're having a live in-person conversation with the medical expert.
When a peer physician can speak to another peer physician, that's usually one of the best and quickest training efforts you can have. So with Thought Leader AI, ultimately being able to put this tool in the cloud, it will enable any physician anywhere in the world, anytime, day or night, to have what feels like a real conversation with a clinical expert in the area of scabies.
ParaPRO partnered with the Institute for Creative Technologies at the University of Southern California to create the tool and recently unveiled it at a medical conference. ParaPRO says scabies is often misdiagnosed, so it's important to connect with doctors and let them know the new drug meets FDA criteria as a complete cure for the infectious disease. We have an update now on Telix Pharmaceuticals, which has called Fisher's home since 2020 and is playing a part in the nuclear medicine boom in the city. The Australia-based company just announced successful Phase 3 results for its newest product, which focuses on kidney cancer and has earned breakthrough designation. The radiopharmaceutical targets cancerous cells, causing them to light up on PET scans. Telix says the new imaging agent provides a non-invasive method to accurately diagnose clear cell renal cancer. Doctors previously had to rely on invasive methods, including biopsy or surgery. Telix earned FDA approval on its first product in late 2021, which focuses on prostate cancer. Eli Lilly and Company will soon start to roll out its first connected platform, the Tempo Personalized Diabetes Management Platform in the U.S. The technology aims to help adults living with type 1 or type 2 diabetes and clinicians make informed, data-backed decisions to manage treatment with Lilly insulins. The platform consists of the Tempo Smart Button, a compatible app, and a pre-filled insulin pen. Users of the platform can access tailored education resources and feedback on blood glucose levels and set reminders to take medication and log insulin doses.